inner circles. These are the target referrals. The more referral, the more commissions you have. Of course, the offering incentives and support from us, a training, webinar, company training, and seminars. This webinar is support from me, from your upline. But sometimes SMDC invites our IMP, our international marketing partner, our international associate partner, and our local partner for the seminars and trainings exclusive by SMDC. And the compensation, commissions, and incentive, you are entitled also not only for the commission, but you have the incentive coming from us. The courses, marketing materials, and support provided, the uplines provided by me. So these are the business card, the flyers, we will send through DHL or apps to our international marketing abroad. So facilitating application, your application or your accreditation, submit the marketing associates of each application. I know this is another, because the IMP can have also the international, he can or she can create her team for acquiring the international sales associate or ISA. So in essence, the recruitment process involves providing necessary support and incentives to attract and retain partners for helping SMDC to promote in the international market. So that's why we are recruiting our international marketing partner and international sales associate abroad. So not only in Brunei, but in the from Europe, from USA, UAE, KSA is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Asian countries, Australia, Canada. We have hundreds of international marketing partners. So it just happened that my top IMP, the top seller, is not around, but I can guarantee you that SMDC will gonna pay your commission and it will send directly to your bank account. Okay, so these are the example of the IMP form of the accreditation. So this is the form. Actually, this is 17 pages, but I just cut it for the accreditation agreement. So you can see, you can check your form, and we have also the marketing partners accreditation general policy. So you can read all the policies there, and of course your signature. So then the requirements is only the passport, your passport, Philippine passport, or you are a Bruneian or a USA citizen. So that is the number one, what do you call this? The number one requirement. Then of course, together with the residence ID or the permanent ID, residence ID, that's it. Before we SMDC accept the bills, the official billings where you are, your address is there. But right now, the SMDC becomes strict, so they will just accept the passport and your residence ID. And we have the bank information form. So this is the bank wire form. So you will declare your bank, your international bank, and of course with your sign. Because if you have a commission, it will directly send it to your bank account. So we will not, as SMDC employees, we are not entitled to handle your money, but it will send to your directly. So of course, what are those support that SMDC giving you guys as part of SMDC as as international marketing partner? Of course, after the accreditation, you have the certificate of accreditation from SMDC, SM Development Corporation. So as what we can see, this is signed by our sales director, our assistant vice president for the sales recruitment and training, and of course our deputy sales head. And you have also your SMDC ID, so we can request that. So don't worry. So you can feel that you are part of SMDC, of the #1 company in the Philippines. So you have all of this, you will have that after your accreditation. So okay, so this is the the one of the highlights for tonight, the commission rating. So for the 3 point, I am sorry, but I didn't put for the Brunei dollars, but this is the computation is 4%. So if you have a client and he will or she will invest worth 5 million, that is 200,000 pesos. So just convert it or screenshot and you can have it. And for 8 million, you will get 320, of course, less tax. The 10 million is 400. You know, the international marketing partner is